everybody, welcome back to my channel, Kicks for Fresh. Now, if you're new here, I go by K Fresh, and by the title of the video, you already know your girl secured a W on the Jordan 13 Flint. So before we get into the logistics of this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button if you already are not following your girl K Fresh. Like, comment, share, do all of those good things because your girl is on her road to 1,000, and I really appreciate all of the support that I've been getting so far on my channel. So I know that there's a lot of sneaker reviews for this particular sneaker, but I did want to make sure that I uploaded my unboxing, review, and on feet on my channel because obviously you all deserve it. And for two, you want to make sure that you hear from your girl K Fresh on what her thoughts are on this sneaker. So as I open up this sneaker, I'm going to tell you a brief story of my situation, how I almost did not secure the W on this pair, and then really just talk a little bit about some of the history because I think, everybody who is watching this already knows that this is a dope shoe. Everybody knows that, Jordan 13s are a dope silhouette. The Jordan brand is something that is so iconic that a lot of times you really don't need particularly a review of the sneaker to know whether or not you're going to cop this sneaker if you like it, right? So I'm not gonna spend too much time actually going over the details of the sneaker. I really want to just share my story and really just the process that it took to actually secure this pair. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this box. One thing that I did notice is it came from a Foot Locker in Junction City, Kansas, which is really weird to me because I ordered them off Champs. I know all the stores are connected, I get that, but the fact that it didn't even come from a Champs store or a Champs distribution, it came from like Foot Locker is like interesting because I've actually never seen that before. But comment below in the comment section if you purchase shoes off of Champs. Does it say that it's coming from Foot Locker? Like I'm just trying to figure out here because it's been a while since I've ordered shoes off the Champs app or the website, so I want to make sure that I'm like not crazy here. So the moment that I have been waiting for, I know you all have probably seen these shoes. Like I said, it's not one of those things where I'm the first review out there. So if you are watching this, I just appreciate you for even stopping by to see my take on these shoes. Just so you all know, we were all watching their Last Dance and they hit us with that shock drop, and as you know, a lot of people were not able to hit on the shock drop because they were all going to their phones, and Jordan Brand did something real sneaky, or Nike or whoever did something real sneaky, and you had to be on your computer in order to secure your pair or even go for your pair. So I did not hit on that, so I did have to wait till the release date for these sneakers, which was no big deal because I had already had set in my brain that I was not going to be trying for these shoes until the day that they released. So we already know that these shoes have came out a couple of times. I get it. So, they've dropped a couple of times. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, Champs, y'all came through. Well, it says Foot Locker, but it says save 25% on your next purchase. I don't want y'all to see my promo code because y'all out here stealing promos. So it comes in, the standard Jordan 13 box. I'm sure, again, you've seen all of that. But I'm just really happy to secure my pair. So anyway, really quickly before I actually open up this box, let me make sure it's the right size and the rate. Okay, cool, we good. So I basically had two computers. I had my East Bay, I had my Foot Locker, my Champs, my Finish Line, and then I had sneakers on my phone. So as soon as I hit, ready to go on the sneakers app, I tried to get it in a size 9, which obviously that is a money size, and that completely sold out very quickly. I was watching the Vintage Worlds live, and I just wasn't able to secure the pair, and I was getting really sad. So I was able to hop on another live, and that was cool because, I was able to basically, chop it up with them, and everybody had already secured their pair, but I had not, and so they were really helping me like, hey, okay, wait it out on East Bay. Have you gotten through on Finish Line? I ended up getting in on East Bay, but they didn't have a 9. They didn't have an 8.5. So I'm like, well, shoot, I might as well close that out. I got in on Finish Line, but they didn't have an 8.5, 9, or 9.5. And the 9.5 would have just been way too big. And then I finally hit open on Foot Locker, but it gave me some weird error. I don't know if y'all got any errors on Foot Locker, but I did end up getting in on Champs. So, you know, Wyatt, everybody's favorite, Technology, D Reed, like all of them's like, hey girl, like you keep going, you know, it's gonna be, you know, just wait it out, like champs will open up, hopefully you're able to secure it. So I was talking to them and just getting really like sad or whatever, and then boom, champs comes up. They did not have a 9, I secured an 8.5. Now, 9 is my true to size, but in 12s, so basically I have these right here, as well as these, which are the 13s. I got these shoes, and I can do an 8.5 in both of these silhouettes. So let's go ahead and open this up. Like I said, I didn't want to take too much of your time, but I wanted to give you an overview of, you know, what essentially happened there. So as always, I wanted to read the box. Air Jordan 13 Retro. The color code is navy, university blue. It's in a size 8.5 men, and then it also retail for $190. So as you can see, this is basically the box and the details. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Y'all, I've been wanting these shoes for a very, very long time. Like, I can't even. These are so nice. Like, I literally just wanna freaking cry. Like, look at this, y'all. Like, y'all can't tell me these not fresh. Like, I would not be K-Fresh if these shoes wasn't fresh, right? So, like I said, you've seen a whole bunch of reviews, but I'll just give you basically a 360 view. This is the medial side of the shoe. You got that nice white toe box, as well as on the lateral side of the shoe, you also have that amazing navy and Flint gray. The details and the quality in this shoe is amazing. You obviously have that, you know, replica of a panther paw down here on the midsole. I do got a little something. I think it's just the cardboard from the box or whatever. And then, you know, obviously you do have the hologram here, and then you do have the Carolina blue, I would say, Jumpman right here on the tongue. The sock liner is also in that navy colorway. Overall, dope shoe. I cannot complain. I cannot wait to throw these on feet. One of the things that I left out, which I really think is dope about 13s, is obviously, you know, down here you do have the Jordan, you know, little tag here, and then on the inside you do have the number, which is the Roman numeral 13. I think that's really awesome as well. So it's just, you cannot go, like, tell me in the comment section, tell me or not whether or not y'all, you know, you feeling this. This is just an amazing shoe. It's still factory laced, pretty tight. The really cool thing that I like about these shoes is that 3M on the upper in this area right here, and on the medial side of the shoe. We know that we didn't necessarily get that on all of the retro pairs, but I am glad that I actually secured the pair that does have the 3M, because I think that is a dope addition to this shoe. The crazy part about this shoe is the fact that, you know, I had this shoe back when it first came out, you know, in 1998. My father actually purchased this shoe for me, and you really just couldn't tell me nothing, to be honest. Like, when I was in, I think I was in 5th grade, actually. I was in 5th grade, and he bought me these shoes, and I really loved, what I really liked most about it was this hologram. Like, I just couldn't stop staring at the hologram. I just thought that was so cool. And I just wore them till I couldn't wear them no more. And this is at a time where you had these, and you also had, I believe it was the Answer Ones by, oh my God, like, you know, Allen Iverson. So I had those 2 pair of shoes, which was so iconic. To me, it just really means a lot, because it's something that I have back in my collection. As I continue to grow my collection and grow my channel, you know, I want to share some of these moments with you all. So again, I'm really just happy that I actually have these, and I have, you know, secured my pair. I know that everybody wasn't able to get a W, and honestly, you know, everybody wasn't even able to afford a pair of these shoes. So we also have to put it in perspective that there are going to be people out here, and even if you're watching me and you're not able to secure your pair, you know, that's fine. Your day will come. They may retro again. You know, it's just something about being able to spend your own money, you know, 10 years later on a pair of sneakers that you really, really wanted. So I am so ecstatic that I actually have these shoes in hand. And, you know, I just thank you all for watching this video. Like I said, there's a lot of people who already have reviews out, so I just really felt like I didn't need to do a detailed review. You can watch channels like Keep Pushing Kicks or, you know, any other. I feel like Sniper Jones has them. Talks with TJ, she has them and did a really great review as well. So, you know, I just really wanted to share this moment with you all. But I'm going to go ahead and hit you all with a quick on feet of these sneakers, and then hopefully I can get, you know, how to style video out within the next couple of days. But until next time, stay fresh.
Perfect.